Okay, now that we have walked slowly through the CMA steps, let's complete a CMA on the same subject property from start to finish without stopping at each step for instruction. In short, we're going to create a CMA search and input the criteria for the comparables. We'll use the map search to do a radius search around our subject property address. Then we'll view the search results and select the comparables that we want to use. Next, we'll select CMA report from list of reports. We'll then populate our subject property data, including uploading a photo for the subject property. We'll save the CMA for future reloading, and then select Create CMA Packet for printing or saving the Adobe PDF file for later. Of course, we could also edit adjustment factors if needed to modify the dollar value for comparable adjustments. That's the general flow through the CMA process using sold comparables. Don't forget our guidelines when searching for comparables. We are looking for similar properties in the same location and recently sold. Here's the screen with the subject property details again that we used earlier for our CMA. First step, of course, is to enter search criteria around this data for the subject property. Here we go, start to finish. In short, we're going to create a CMA search and input the criteria for the comparables. We'll use the map search to do a radius search around our address. Then we'll view the search results, select the comps we want to use, and then select CMA report from the list of reports. We'll then populate our subject property data, including uploading a photo for the subject property. We'll save the CMA for future reloading, and then select Create CMA Packet for printing or saving the Adobe PDF file for later. Of course, we could also use Edit Adjustment Factors if needed to modify the dollar value for comparable adjustments. So let's get started. Let's click on CMA, Create New, and let's scroll down just a bit to get to our information for this property. Under Listing Status, we're going to choose Solds. Number of days back from today is 120 days back. We would like a single family in our comps, and our subject is a Rambler. So now let's scroll down to our other site information. Our property was built in 1975, so we're going to use 1970 to 1980. Total square footage, we'll put a range of 2,500 to 3,500. For the lot size, let's use a max of 0.4 acres. Ours, of course, is 0.24 acres. We'll use a range of 3 to 7 bedrooms. For bathrooms, we'll just use a minimum of 2 bathrooms to make sure we get a good comparison, and garage capacity minimum of 2. Let's use our map to isolate the area. So first, under our map tools, let's use this jump tool and find our location by the address or MLS number if that existed. So there's our property we're using for the subject. Let's zoom out just a touch there. And let's for instance, we decided to use the radius search. So I'll click radius, and we can use 0.75 as we did earlier, or any sort of radius. I'll use 0.75. That turns up 4 properties. So now we've completed our search for our properties